Okay guys, so I am starting off on old grown out acrylics. I did these maybe like 3-4 weeks ago, so it's time to remove them. So we're going to be using our NBK Kare-Kits. We are going to need 100% acetone, not nail polish remover guys. Nail polish remover will not soak off your acrylics. You need to have 100% acetone. Some foils. This is just regular household foil that I just ripped down to size. So we're gonna be wrapping each nail individually. Our D.I.Y exfoliant scrub. A nail buffer. And out of our Kare-Kits, we're going to be using our NBK cuticle oil, a nail file, an orange stick, and a warm towel, and some cotton. We're also going to be using our nail clippers out of our NBK Kare-Kits. And that's actually the first step. We're going to be using our clippers to take off any excess acrylic. I want to keep the length of my natural nails. So if you see where I'm showing you here, where the acrylic meets my natural nail, that's where we're going to cut from. Start closer to the tip so that you can preserve the length of your nails, if you care to keep them. If you're not wearing them for your length, go for it. Take off as much excess. That's the whole point of this step. We're just taking off excess. Now we're going to go in with our nail files and we're going to take the shine off. And if you see me, I'm being rather aggressive because like I said before, it's all about taking off that excess. So you want to go ahead and buff down as much acrylic as you can manually before you soak. So now we're going in to begin the soaking process. We are going to saturate our cotton swab with acetone, place it over the nail, and then wrap them in foil. You want your cotton to be nice and saturated, so really go for it. Go ahead and place that cotton over your nail, like so. Grab your foil and go ahead and wrap your nail. You see I cut my foil, I ripped my foil a little bit too small. You want to kind of be wary of that. You want it to be able to wrap nice and tight so that you don't have to worry about it slipping off and falling off. Go ahead and do that for the remainder of your nails, that same process. And then you can go ahead and place your hand into the plastic bag with your warm towel. Now to warm my towel, I literally just, I wet it to make my towel nice and damp and then just stick it in the microwave for like 30 seconds to get it nice and warm. You can place your hand in it, place your towel over it and sit. You want to sit for 10-20 minutes up to an hour. The longer that you sit, the more acrylic will come off. For a quicker process, I sat for 10 minutes. So you can see here how the product has softened up and it's dissolving. This is where our orange stick comes in. Now you want to go ahead and scrape away. You don't want to go damaging your natural nails. So kind of take it easy and just scrape away that acrylic. Guys, like I said, the longer you sit, the more will come off. I literally sat for 10 minutes and look how much is coming off. You see that? That's what you want. That's what your acrylic should look like. Now that you scraped off everything that will come off, you can buff off the remainder of the acrylic with your file. You see that? Pretty much all the acrylic is off in just 10 minutes. I'm going to do that to the rest of my nails. If you have traces, that's okay. You can easily repeat the process. So this is what I'm doing here. I'm going to go in for another round. Repeating that same process. Saturate your cotton, place it over your nail, and then wrap. Then sit for another 7 to 10 minutes. This is a quicker way to do it when you do it in the 2 steps versus just sitting and sitting forever. You can take it step by step. So now that we've got all that product removed off of our nails, we are going to go in with the NBK cuticle oil and saturate our cuticles and our nail beds with this oil. This oil is fabulous for reviving your nails and bringing them back to life. Add that to your cuticles and massage it right in over the nail bed everywhere and put that nourishment back into our nails. And buff that oil right into your natural nail. Look at how healthy and strong my nails look, guys. Now we're going in with our D.I.Y exfoliant, and this is literally just olive oil and brown sugar and white sugar. Our skin literally drinks olive oil. You will see how rich our skin and nails looks after applying this. Look at that shine. Look at that life we just put back into our nails. This is what you should be left with, guys. Clean, healthy nails.